wouldn't be your responsibility, right? You're not the father. It's gonna be crazy time with the 4x multiplier. Let's spam the chat so that it doesn't know what is happening. Trust me, you're gonna get me crazy in here. Okay, a story about my night shift. Yes, basically. If it's gonna be crazy time, which most probably it will, I'm not gonna talk about my night shift experience because we have 4x multiplier. Let's go, baby. We're here getting 4x multiplier. That's fantastic, everyone. So, see ya. Okay, I am so excited to give this. That is crazy time for. To choose. We have 3 colors in here, okay? We have 3. We have blue. That's the middle one. Then green and the yellow. Let's, whatever works for you guys, please decide. Right now, goodness. That's crazy. I like it. Okay, let it be doubles for... This is good luck. Going. Hit it. Yes.
I-S-T-I-N-E. And I'm not Miss. I'm Mrs. Which is M-R-S. I guess I do have a Mr. Ooh, we got a coin flip with a 50 next, ladies and gentlemen. Well, expecting something good. Let's see, though. Fingers crossed, of course. Fingers crossed. So, let's see what our potential multipliers are. 3 and 20 multiplied 15 times. 45x on the red and 300x on the blue. Finally! Woo! It took us a second, but a blue side appeared with a 300x. Nice! 3,854 winners. Guess 155,264. You see 60,200.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.